back up. All right, go, bud.
Thank you, Dad, for hanging up the pictures that I made.
Yeah. And there's Ryan's handprint. Oh, sorry, you go.
There's Bendy. There's Sammy Lawrence. There's Alice Angel. There is, what was it again? There's Kylo Ren.
Yeah. Yep.
There's the Moosey guy from
Outpost.
From the game that I made called 6 Nights at Sharky's.
And there's Lefty.
From FNAF 6.
Yep. Should we talk about this one?
And custom left to left.
Should we do this one?
Yes.
What's that one? Do you know?
No.
Yeah, Ryan drew that one.
It's like a Star Wars thing.
Kinda. Ryan did draw Star Wars too, though. Look at all these Star Wars pictures Ryan drew. See, you're kind of like an artist, like your brother.
Yeah.
Yeah. I drew a picture for you guys one time. Well, I've drawn you all different pictures. Ooh, I like that. That's good music.
And now we are going to go.
Let's go.
On my fireplace to show you the pictures that I just made tonight.
All right.
See this picture? This Alice isn't finished. That's why it was Slurpee.
That's really good.
The Alice isn't finished. That's why it was Slurpee. Sorry. And that's Sammy Lawrence.
Yeah.
I'm not good at mechanics.
That's good music for like the kind of characters. Huh? Ready. All right. Do you got another picture?
And also, I got some more audio for you guys.
Okay.
The man. Oh, wait, Mr. Afton. The man.
Mm-hmm.
I got it. And then the last customs that I have made. Nightmare Helpy. And Withered Helpy with a bunch of script. I did some bullcrap on it.
Yeah. It's good. Hey, and you like doing art, right?
Oh, and thank you, Froakie, Slypie, and FNAFlix for inspiring me on the FNAF collection and the FNAF plush videos. Thank you.
Yeah. Good music. Good choice. Now, who do you want to thank, Bear?
I would like to thank my dad who is making this video.
That's awesome. Thank you. And you know what, Eric? I want to thank you we got a new job for him, right? He's going to play our background music. There's no talking. He's got a speaker he got for his birthday. All right. So I want to say thank you to you guys. I'm proud of you. This is a good idea to do this video. And these are the kind of videos that I think are going to do good.
Oh, and Slypie, FNAFlix, and Froakie, I watch your videos every day.
So what do you want people to do for us?
Like, subscribe, and comment down below.
That's right, and it's just as easy.
And click the notification bell.
Yeah, and it's just as easy for everyone to do it, just on your screen. Find it, tilt your screen, move it, and just hit subscribe. And we'll send out some good videos.
And hit the like and hit the bell notification.
Yeah, and leave comments of ideas that you would like to see us do videos, right?
Yeah.
Do you like that idea, producer? All right, guys.
And my major fans, please watch my videos.
I love it. All right, say thank you.
Wait, I got one more thing.
One more thing.
Thank you. And it is a thank you. And also, just take a close listen. For this, it's just get ready. You're good.
Wait, we're good? Oh, not yet? Okay.
This is gonna sound cool.
Okay.
And you're gonna like it.
All right, all right.
Alright, you gotta point the camera to him.
Oh, yeah, to him.
Okay.
No.
I'm doing the dance that I did in the Jacked Up on Ovaltine.
Oh, okay. I remember that one. All right.
Dad,
Now look at you.
and some spooky music.
Yeah. Ooh.
It's literal blood.
Ooh.
And also,
Spiders?
Yeah.
All right.
Oh,
All right.
that's Granny. Granny.
I like it. So how about have a good night? Oh, you're not done yet?
No, it died.
Oh, okay.
Have a good night.
Have a good night. Bye.
Peace out.